Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have a money-making machine working for you 24/7? Well, let me tell you about something fascinating that's happening right now in the world of technology and finance. You've probably heard all the buzz about ChatGPT and Midjourney lately. These AI tools are everywhere, making headlines and changing how we work and create. But here's something that might surprise you. AI isn't the new kid on the block that everyone thinks it is. It's been quietly evolving in the background for years, like a student gradually mastering their craft. Think about it. Your smartphone's autocorrect, Netflix's recommendations, even your email spam filter. They've all been using AI for years. But now we're witnessing something different, something revolutionary. Here's where it gets really interesting. While most people were just starting to grasp the basic uses of AI, a group of forward-thinking programmers had a breakthrough moment. They asked themselves, what if we could harness AI's processing power and precision to do something humans often struggle with, making consistent profits in the financial markets? You see, when humans trade, we make mistakes. We get emotional, we panic sell, we get greedy, we miss opportunities because we need to sleep. But AI, it doesn't have any of these limitations. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't make emotional decisions, and it certainly doesn't need coffee breaks. This is where the Power Trades app comes in. Imagine having a sophisticated AI system that's constantly analyzing markets, identifying patterns, and making calculated trading decisions while you're sound asleep. It's like having a tireless financial expert working for you around the clock. The beauty of this system is its simplicity. While the technology behind it is incredibly complex, it's been designed so that anyone, yes, anyone, can use it. You don't need to understand the intricacies of machine learning or have years of trading experience. The AI handles all of that heavy lifting for you. This could be the game changer many have been waiting for, a way to potentially generate income that doesn't require you to trade your time for money. It's about working smarter, not harder, by letting artificial intelligence do what it does best. Process vast amounts of data and make logical decisions without human bias. Welcome to the future of automated income generation. It's not science fiction anymore, it's reality.